Hello everyone, happy October 13th. Today we celebrate train tracks, peanut festivals, and the joy of kindness. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Train Your Brain Day, a celebration of puzzles, learning, and mental fitness. A great gift could be a brain teaser book, a logic puzzle set, or a subscription to a learning app. What's your favorite way to stay sharp? Let's challenge each other in the comments. Next, it's National Peanut Festival Day, honoring the harvest and joy of this crunchy crop. A sweet gift could be a peanut butter tasting kit, a peanut-themed apron, or a recipe card for peanut brittle. Crunchy or creamy? Let's settle the debate below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National No Bra Day, a day to raise awareness for breast cancer and support body comfort. A thoughtful gift could be a donation to a breast cancer charity, a cozy loungewear set, or a self-care journal. Let's support awareness and comfort in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 11th to 16th, so you'll get gift ideas early.
Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.